Look at this place. It's called Global Village. That's what it's called, this place, yeah? So you never see this place in the UK. Look at this. It's like a, what's it called? It's like a, Disneyland. It's kind of Disneyland, yeah. We'll see. Everybody says very nice. We'll see, yeah. Okay. Oh, we have to pay the ticket. Those are free. Okay, I got the ticket. Okay. See what's in there. Ticket machine. Okay, let's see what's in there. It's called Global Village, this place. Ah, look at this. That is American, what's it called? And look at this UK. Remember this? UK. Oh, this is China. Oh, I think this is tricky, yeah. For each country you go, yeah, you have to pay extra money. I think so, yeah. You see. Look at this, Italy, UK, Italia, and that is France. France. This is, I don't know which country this is. Thai. Wow, it's the most up here. Iraqi Bazaar. Every country is here, every country. That's, I think that is Australia, isn't it? That's Australia. And this is, I think this one is India, Taj Mahal. They make Taj Mahal as well. No, I don't know. Sorry. I don't know. There are lots of things. That's Turkey, look at Turkey. See what's in Turkey, yeah. Okay, we are entering in Turkey, okay? So I think you have to go to each country, okay? And they make exact like the way they look. I think. I may be wrong, but I think, yeah, sound like it. So that's in Turkey, look. See? Oh, look. You've seen this one. This is in Turkey. Maybe it's very famous in Turkey, yeah? See, look. I see the Turkey thing. So I'm in Turkey now, okay? Wow, you know that turkey thing. I love this food, this turkey one. This thing, this is so nice. This is like kind of pizza. I'm gonna try this later on, okay? Look, this one. kind of pizza ever. All Turkish stuff, yeah. The Turkish sweet. I'm still in Turkey. A Turkish sweet. Now I'm going out from Turkey, going to different country. Okay, well, I'm still in Turkey. Okay, but I'm going to different country. Maybe you've seen this on YouTube there. Look. Enter my home country, look, Pakistan. Look at it. Look, Pakistan. I'm gonna enter, okay? Okay, what is Pakistan like, okay? Okay. Mostly garment shops around here, yeah. I was expecting some food, but didn't see any food. This place is called Asana. I don't know which country is that one. Ministry of Community Development. I think this is UAE, yeah. UAE. Yeah, it's UAE. Their culture. Look, your favorite kebab. Look, UAE food. There. Very nice fruity. Look, this is that thing, and this one, that's a dragon fruit. This is mango. This is the UAE kingdom stuff.